Hi, it's Anna with WTI.
Can you even tell that I'm listening to music here? It's because I have this tiny little portable radio by Flyoukki. It is so tiny, it is so lightweight, you don't even notice. It comes with these really nice earbuds. It's so great for my walk. Look how small it is. It comes in this tiny little carrying case, so it's easy to have with you at all times. It comes with a USB charging cable, so you don't have to worry about having batteries for it. The string for the headset is really long, so it didn't matter if I tied it onto my stroller or stuck into my back pocket. I had plenty of leeway. It didn't feel like it was constantly pulling on it. Another great feature is this one goes all the way down to 64 FM, all the way up to 108. If you're hard of hearing, or my husband was part of a security team for a program, which meant he was going to miss the program, but it was being broadcast on 72, so he was able to get all of the program even if he wasn't in the auditorium. So go ahead and get this tiny little radio by Flyoukki and always have it with you.
And that's my point of view.